Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesome Calls Trading live webinar recap. I'm AJ, one of the mods in this great chat room. All right, so I'll just kind of go right into it. Today was a very choppy day. You could either chop wood and had better results, or could have been in here, played the morning action, and had a blast. Today was a blast today. I ended up red for the day, roughly 147 bucks. Now I was green for the day, but I got greedy, and that's what happens when you get greedy. I played shop, which is a very volatile stock, moves in dollars, and sometimes I was on the wrong side of it, and it nipped me in the butt. And that and Roku just had my number again. But the one call that did get my number was Tesla. I owned that stock today. I could not do wrong on that stock. I traded it at least 15 times, and all 15 times I was right. I even did it on a live webinar thing. I did it 3 times, and I still made money 2 or 3 times. Today was my day. I could not go wrong. The only thing I could not do was short the stock. Yep. Uh, TD has hard to borrow, and not everyone gets it. At the same token, when I try it just in the regular system itself on Active Trader, it just rejects me. But I want you to look at this call. On Tesla, I called for a 790 pop at the open and a flush down to, I wanted 760 on the original flush. And but I wanted 790 as topping. And then if you look, I put it on here 790, pop at the open, 10 to 20 point pullback, and be done with it. Okay? Are you ready? You want to see how exciting it was to play Tesla today in our room? We own this stock, man. Don't matter what this does. Ready? Ding, 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 ding. You're in our room. 780. Boom. 790. Ding, 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 ding. Flush. Bam. Here's 10. Here's 15. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. See that? Tesla. Next stock we did today. Um, Good, Kevin. Excellent job, boss. Shop. Shop was just a killer. Uh, we chose not to short shop until it broke. Well, I'm my notes were saying uh, to be careful on the short side of it. Wait for the 555 snap, and you'll get room, and you'll get your 20, 30 point short. And it did. It did that. But in pre-market, I was writing to long the stock at 540, and do not short it unless it snaps 555. And in pre-market, the stock had already hit 570. So if you were in our morning show and you followed my notes this morning and you took 50 shares or 100, you would have been up $1,500 to $2,000 before even doing anything. All you had to do was be here. And as I was typing notes, I even said start longing shop. And then shop opened up at 593 when it popped. And then here's the 555. And there's your 530 covers. And got to give credit to Darkside because he was really helping traders walk that down all day. So thank you, Darkside. Great trader. Great, great, great trader. Next trade we did today was a stock called NSP. It was a great trade today. All about this one was gapping down 19 on bad earnings. So I figured I'll pull that open to 66. That's what I wrote. I know you don't believe me, but that's what I wrote. And the bottom curl to 72. And I missed 72 by about 9 cents. And 66 hit right here by 11 cents. Next trade we did today was, I think it was Win or a Cyber. Cyber. Cyber was a really good trade today. It was an earnings play. Called for a short at the open to 117. Bottom curl and go long. Ding, 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 ding. Here's the opening bell. Short it. 126, 117, 117 long. Back to 122. Have a nice day. Beautiful trade there on Cyber. NVIDIA. This was another trade for us. I had called for 269 bottom, long it into close. Reason is earnings today. Everyone's got this thing to win. Every analyst out there, you can play it if you want to. If it hits, it's going to hit over 300, 310 after the bell. But for us as a trade, And I do think they'll beat, but the room has convinced me not to gamble and take 50 shares or 100 shares. The room knows me. They know I don't like to give away money or lose money like that. So, but hey, everything indicates everything out there from option buying to the upgrades to the analysts, everything integrates. This is going to blow through 300. When it does, I'm not going to go, I told you. It is what it is. I could take it long right now, but one thing that's discouraging me to do so is I want you to look at the last 10 days. That's right, 234 to 272. This has already made over a 30-point move, and we haven't even got the earnings yet. So, got to be careful. All right. But we've been playing it every day for the last week. So, Rock said they're tomorrow afternoon. I thought they were tonight. But forgive me, Rock. Yeah. He said they're tomorrow afternoon. But every indication shows that they are going to be, according to everything out there. For us, we just wanted to pull it open to 269. Dan, yeah, I guess they're tomorrow. Hold on. Let me just double check. Hold on. Let me double check. I thought they were tonight. Somebody mentioned in the room they were tonight. All right. Hold on. Computer froze. Sorry. Hold on. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is tomorrow. Earnings are tomorrow. Okay. So, good thing I didn't take it. I'll wait for tomorrow. See what happens. Anyway, for today's call, we wanted 269 pull at the open, bottom curl, go long. Here's 269, all day move to the upside. So nice little play there. The next one we did today was it Roku? Did we take Roku? 141 short. Hold on. Roku 141 short to 139. And then we wanted to bounce. So that was a good one. I liked ABMD. Yeah. Okay, on ABMD, I called for a 165 pull at the open and then a bounce to about 171, 172. I really kind of wanted 173 as topping on it. This caught a downgrade, so I wanted a yank at the open to 165 and then a push up to 173 and then an all-day short. I'll show you the trade. ABMD. This was a really good call. So ding, 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 ding. All you had to do was just sit for like 90 seconds and just wait. Bam! 166. Boom! 173. It hit 172.35 and then all-day sell-off. Pretty cool, huh? There was one more I did. I think it was N. This is a tongue twister here. Okay, kind of go with me. NMIH. Can't say that 5 times. NMIH. Can't do it. It's not. You can't do it. Nobody can do it. NMIH. Try to say it 3 times. You can't. Okay, NMIH had earnings. I looked at the report and it was gapping down considerably this morning, right here, 2 or 3 points. I figured shorts were going to cover, pop it to 34, and then a sell-off back down to 30. And that was the call. But I needed the pop first. So how I wrote MIH this morning was for if it pulled to 30, I wanted you to bounce it back to 34. If it popped at 34, short it back to 30. Either way, it was going to work. So I just needed the open to come. And when the open came, watch the 34 hit and then watch the 30 down. 4-point trade to the downside. Really a nice play. Ding, 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 ding. 34 hit, $30 play. Boom, you're done for the day. Higher it popped, the more it was gonna. The earnings were really bad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 on here. I usually like to do 8 charts. What's another one? KRNT. This one should not have been down. I didn't get a chance to do this over secret sauce. I wish I could have, but this was just ridiculous. I read the report, and I want you to see something, traders that are in the room. Look at KRNT this morning. You see this? Raises. This is another indication that told me the stock was down too much. It would go up to 45. You see how they raised the stock? Both of them did. Even though they're tier 2 and tier 3 and tier 4 firms, I felt strongly the stock would pop. So the buying opportunity is 42, 43 because I felt it would go to 45 or more, and hence the call. So I wrote it down that way. On what is this one? KRNT, which was down here. Mixed earnings, gapping down 2. I'd buy anything at 40, 41, pop it up to 44, 45. More pulls, better the range for us to the upside. To me, there was no short in this stock. It was just an upside move all day. And the market opened right here. This was pre-market. Then it pulled. There's the 41, 42 area right there at the opening bell. And the stock ran all the way up to $44, $45 a share. I was going to say they're not great analysts, but they did upgrade the stock. So that kind of told me. And then what I did, Federico, on this particular one is I actually read their comments on it, you know? And so I kind of looked at that and I thought, you know what? I don't see anything negative. And Craig Holloman, who cleans my bathrooms on Sundays, they said it was impressive. So that kind of told me, don't short it, AJ. Don't short it. And so that's what kept me away from shorting the stock. Okay? Anyway, hey, all right, I'm negative 147 for the day. I can live with that. I'll come in tomorrow, make up my money in the first 10 seconds, and then make more money. Thank you all. I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you.